Okay, welcome back to the Dublin Academy of Maths. Okay, today we're at the Leaving Cert Early Level Maths, Series 3, Episode 6, Paper 1, and it's Calculus. Okay, and you can find me at dublinacademy@gmail.com. Okay, so that's dublinacademy@gmail.com, and Michael is my name. Now, today I'm going to show you two varieties here, A and B. One is find the coordinates given slope, and the other one is B, find slope given coordinates. So the first thing you should be asking yourself, what am I given and what am I looking for? Okay, so the first example is find the coordinates given the slope. Find the coordinates of the point on the curve. Find the coordinates, so find the points on the line on the curve y is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 2. Okay, it's a quadratic, as you know. At which the slope of the curve is equal to, so m of y is equal to minus 6. Okay, so now we're told that we've defined the points, so find the coordinates and given the slope. Right, so first of all we have to get dy dx. dy dx is equal to 2x plus 6. Okay, so when dy dx is equal to minus 6, right, you see what I'm doing here? So, okay, we'll bring it down. So when 2x plus 6 and the slope is equal to minus 6. As you know, this is the general slope of this formula. So we can find the slope when it's equal to, we can find the x values when it's equal to, when we're told that the slope is equal to minus 6. So we just work out the formula. Minus 6 minus 6. X is equal to minus 12 over 2, which is equal to minus 6. So it happens that x is equal to minus 6. Now you can substitute in the minus 6 into the original formula. It's always the original formula, even for simultaneous equations. Okay, so when y is equal to minus 6, therefore the function is equal to minus 6 to be squared. You see what I'm doing? Plus 6 times minus 6 plus 2. Y is equal to, and the world works out as 2. So that's the solution. Minus 6 for x and 2 for y is the point on that curve when the slope is equal to minus 6. Okay? So that's the finding the coordinates given the slope. Now finding the slope, part B. Find the slope given the coordinates. So finding the slope given coordinates. Okay, coordinates. So find the slope given the coordinates. Find the slope on the line y is equal, on the curve y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2 at the point 3, 2. So I'm going to read out this question. Find the slope of the curve y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2, and hence the equation, okay, and the equation of the line, and hence the equation, we'll get to that, hence the equation. Okay, so dy dx, we know that, dy dx is equal to 2x minus 3, okay? So this is the general slope. What's the slope of that at this point? Well, that's equal to 2 times, so we're putting in the coordinates, minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Slope of that curve is equal to, at that point, is equal to 3. Now you see what I'm getting at here, given the coordinates, okay? Given the slope, the other method, A. So now I found the slope of the equation. So the slope of this equation is equal to, so m of this equation is equal to 3. And the set of points is 3, 2. Okay, so now I know the slope and I have a set of points. I can now form an equation using my formula from the equation of a line. Do you remember? M times x minus x1. Okay, so I have my set of points. I label my set of points x1, y1. And I slip them in. Okay, so it's y minus y1, y minus 2 is equal to m, which I found out, which is minus 3 at that point, x minus x1 minus 3. And I work them all out, so it becomes y minus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 9. bring them over. I want to make the minus x positive. I bring it over. 3x plus y minus 9 minus 2 it becomes minus 9. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Minus 9 minus plus 9. Okay, so the slope is equal to 3. Oh, sorry about that. So the slope is equal to 3. Oh, I messed up there. Okay, I thought it was minus 3. Equals to 3. So it's 3 times x minus 3. Okay, so y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 9. So 3x, bring the y over actually, minus y plus 2 becomes minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so sorry about that, but it wasn't a minus 3, it was a plus 3, the slope. And so that's the equation of the line given that slope at that point connecting to this formula. Okay, so in other words, because it's a plus 3, it would be something, and it's at the 0.32, so it's something like this, and the slope is going up there, and that's the 0.3. We'll say it's up there, 3, 2, 2 for the y, 3 for the x, and you can see that the line here and the slope, and this is the function x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, I hope that answers everything for you. So you found the slope and given the coordinates. Thank you. Do those. Oh, and don't forget the questions. Right, let's have a quick look at these questions. Find the slope. This is part A and this is part B. Okay, find the value of x for which the slope of the tangent is 6. At what point in the curve y is equal to x squared minus x is the slope of the tangent equal to 1? Okay, so you're given these points and you're asked to find the slope. So you have two methods there. Do those questions. Thank you.